Alright, so we're gonna have to head over to product here, and then we're gonna have to click on add product. Here, just scroll a little bit down. Here you should see edit. Click on edit, and now we have here page title and URL handle. Now, when we add here page title, which is helpful and it's really good with SEO to add a URL handle. So when you add a page title and some meta description, it's really going to help with SEO because Google reads all the words in SEO, so which helps to really understand what's your page about. And plus, if someone links to your site by just using the URL having keywords, there means those keywords are included in the link. And Google is using like that link data to really figure out what your page about. So what your like page is relevant for. And seeing this in action when we also can see here the search engine listing, and here when I add the shirt for men, this is going to change here in search engine listing. We also have the page title, right? And then here the meta description, which here can be helpful to include keywords. Now, of course, it's helpful to use the AI, which I do recommend can help to create a product description fast. Also can help us using a few features and keywords, which totally we need. And we can also select here the language, right? But just also check this, of course. uh, don't just rely on this. Also make sure your media is clear. AI and just especially now the AI Google can really read the image to make sure it's clear and visible. And that's, I hope you found this helpful. That's the video. Thanks for watching and like this video if you found this helpful and subscribe for more.